Hey everybody, how's it going? JZ Labs here back with another video. In this video, I will be talking about the 6 best AI tools that can help you boost your productivity by 10 times. Before starting the video, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and family. And also just a heads up, we have our newsletter created where we will be sending out AI and tech related tools in emails to you. So if you're interested in AI and tech related tools, and want to know the latest trends in tech and AI related market, then you can sign up for our newsletter that will be mentioned in the link in the description. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. First up, we have an AI tool called Cleanup.pictures. What this AI tool does is it removes any unwanted object like defect, people or text from your pictures in seconds. As you can see the demo right here, this input image was uploaded, and as you can see the unnecessary objects were removed within seconds without changing the format of the image. The output, as you can see, is amazing. So if you're interested in this AI tool, you can sign up to this AI tool by clicking the link in the description. Next up, we have an AI tool called Copy.ai. So if you want to have any copy generated for your Facebook ad, Google ad, or products, or even blog posts or email posts, then you can sign up for this AI tool called Copy.ai. This AI tool helps you create anything from blog content posts, digital ad copy, e-commerce copy, sales copy, social media content, and even website copy. So if you are someone looking to create content within seconds for your copies, then I recommend you to sign up for Copy.ai. You can do so by clicking the link in the description for Copy.ai and then sign up from there. Next up, we have an AI tool called Runwayml.com. This AI tool is great. It has a number of features that you can see. It has text to image, text to color grade, infinite image, frame interpolation, super slow motion, erase, replace, and also a bunch of video editing features as you can see over here. But the best feature that I see for Runwayml is the erase and replace feature. What this does is it easily removes objects from images and replaces them by entering a descriptive text. As you can see from the demo over here, the previous football was replaced by a new blue colored football just by using this feature. So if you are someone looking to use the erase and replace feature, or someone who is interested for the features like text to image or infinite image or text to color grade, then you can use Runwayml. Next up, we have another AI tool called Stockimg.ai. If you want to generate book covers, wallpapers, posters, or any art for yourself, then you can do so by going to this website and simply inputting the prompt for it and then clicking generate. This AI tool has a bunch of categories. So you can generate book cover, stock image, wallpaper, poster, and many more using this AI tool just by inputting a piece of text. Then we have an AI tool called Unbounce. So if you're someone looking for building landing pages for your business fast without any complexity, then you can sign up for Unbounce AI. You can create your pages and even write your copy and optimize your traffic using Unbounce AI. If you're someone looking to do this, then you can sign up for Unbounce by clicking the link in the description for Unbounce and sign up from there. Next up, we have another tool called Cleanvoice. So if you are someone who wants to remove filler words like kind of filler words from your video or audio, then you can do so by signing up for Cleanvoice AI. What this tool does is it basically removes all the filler words from your audio and generates an audio that doesn't contain any filler words. As you can see here in the audio file before, these filler words were present, and after it went through Cleanvoice AI, the filler words were removed, and I think this AI tool does a pretty decent job in removing all the filler words. So if you're someone who wants to remove filler words from their audio files, then you can do so by clicking the link in the description and signing up for Cleanvoice from there. So these were the 6 best AI tools for boosting your productivity by 10 times. If you want to try out these AI tools, then all the links of these AI tools will be mentioned in the descriptions. You can just click the link for the relevant AI tool and sign up from there. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you are interested to know more about AI and tech tools in general, and also want to stay updated about these tools, then you can sign up for our free email newsletter that will be mentioned in the link in the description. You can just click the link in the description for our email newsletter, mention your email address, and you will be getting weekly emails about the AI and tech tools that are present in the market. And that way you will be staying up to date regarding the AI and tech tools. That's about the video. I will be seeing you in the next video. Peace out.